Good afternoon. We are team Blazing Dragons. We have built an air quality measuring device for indoor environment. Many of us don't know that the air quality indoor is 5 to 8 times worse than the air quality outdoors. This is because of various factors like if the AC malfunctions, harmful gases like carbon monoxide releases, then due to lack of ventilation purposes, the dust and smoke gets accumulated inside our house. These are some of the major causes because of which indoor air pollution is much worse than outdoor air pollution. This product is not like it's not a new product. It's not an innovation, but it is primarily based on these products are primarily imported from foreign companies, and it costs around $200. So we have built an indigenous product which costs around $2,400. We have used an MQ2 sensor, MQ135 sensor, and the board controller which we used is ESP32. So we get values from the MQ2 and MQ135 sensor, and we through the ESP32 board we upload it to the cloud Firebase, and through the cloud Firebase we show it to an app to the users. Whenever the carbon monoxide or harmful gases exceeds the limit, it gives notifications to the customers.